Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix brush size issues instantly in Meccha Chameleon. So if your brush feels too large, too small, or difficult to control, just follow along. First, open the paint menu and check your current brush settings. Next, adjust the brush size according to the area you're painting. Large surfaces work best with larger brushes, while detailed areas require smaller ones. And if the brush seems unresponsive, try switching between different brush sizes and then switching back again. You should also reopen the paint menu if the controls are not updating properly. And another useful fix is restarting the match or reloading the customization screen. And if you're using a controller, verify that your controls are functioning correctly. So that was how to fix brush size issue instantly in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.